Hi, it's Terry Edwards here from Make More Placements. This is your daily podcast. It's your recruitment fuel, your daily recruitment fuel for your mind. See, your thinking is the number one factor for your business success. If you want to make more placements to serve more of your market, you're going to have to think and behave in a certain way. And the purpose of these podcasts is to help you become the number one recruitment search business owner in your particular niche. And today I want to share something with you, what you as a recruitment search business owner can learn from the great artist Leonardo Da Vinci. Leonardo Da Vinci is probably best known as the famous artist who painted the Mona Lisa. However, he wasn't just a painter. He was a sculptor, an architect, a poet, a composer, a scientist, a mathematician, and an inventor. I think it's fair to say he was pretty busy. Most people would describe him as a genius. His work is testament to an amazing mind. But he had this quote that may come as a surprise to you. The quote was this: art is never finished, only abandoned. In other words, done is better than perfect. One of the biggest obstacles that hold back recruitment and search business owners is striving for perfection. Whatever your goal is, there will come a time when you need to bite the bullet and just finish it, whatever that is. That could be the article for social media posts, that interview report, that email that you want to send out to potential clients. Whatever it is or wherever it is that you strive for perfection. Despite how imperfect and incomplete it may be, the truth is that anything you produce will now be dwarfed by what you do in the future. But it's only by completing imperfectly today that you have any hope of reaching a higher standard tomorrow. So rather than going for perfection, go for prioritizing what's really needs to be done. Now, the benefits of doing this and making it a priority, it means that you're going to be more relaxed and stress-free at work. Not be so critical on yourself, and equally important, not be critical on those in your team when mistakes are made. Things get done sooner, offerings get rolled out quicker. Because things are happening fast, it means that your potential clients can find you before they find your competitors. You're more likely to achieve your goal. You make progress. Now, I want to be absolutely clear about this. I'm not saying that you don't pay any attention to detail. I'm not saying that. I want to be absolutely clear about that. What I am saying is that all the evidence shows that going for perfection is going to do nothing but hold you back. Think about the likes of, I don't know, most big organizations. Let's use Apple as an example. They'll release a new phone, and maybe a few months or maybe a year or so later, they send out software updates. Companies have been doing this for years. Do you not think they could have got it perfect if they just waited for a few more years? Of course they could, but they don't. That's not the secret to success. To quote the great artist again, Leonardo Da Vinci, art is never finished, it's only abandoned. Please feel free to share this podcast with other recruitment and search business owners who are looking to grow their business. If you would like some help or some free resources on how you can grow your business, please go to makemoreplacements.com. That's makemoreplacements.com. We've got a ton of free resources there to help you make more placements, work fewer hours, and earn more money. Until next time, take care, take action, be relentless.